So I just wanted to let you know that I filmed an entire video of me putting succulents into little containers, and I took it on a camera instead of my phone because I'm trying to be professional. And I imported it, but they're nowhere to be found. So that video is gone. Worked super hard on it. I'm kidding. I just tried to upload it, but I couldn't. It said it did, but obviously it didn't. So it's currently 12:57 and I recorded this at 11 and they're missing in action. And am I stressed out? Yeah. Am I gonna cry? Yeah, it's fine. I do be like that. Question is, will I ever use a camera again to film? Probably no. Never, ever again. This is so stressful. I'm so confused. I think instead I'm going to do a bikini haul try on with every bathing suit that I have because it's 1 in the morning and 45 degrees in New York. So let's do it. Hey guys, so I ended up going to sleep and then I looked at my camera roll and I saw that I recorded that video. Don't remember doing it, but I think it's a good idea. So I'm going to do a bathing suit try on anyways because I have a lot to go through. This entire bin of bathing suits and we're just gonna do it. Update, I just found the videos. So. Hey guys, it's me. I updated to a camera because I want to be more professional because I'm a dumbass. The inside of this guy's home, so like my succulents are all I was like, might as well do like a rehoming for my plants, you know? I don't know if you can see me because I have never used a real camera before to shoot a video. So I'm gonna get a mirror to make sure that I see what you see. Oh my god, this is so much harder than using the phone. Oh, that's so ugly. How do I do this? Hey guys, welcome back. I don't have a tripod. Today I'm going to show you how to rehome all of my plants. Shattered. So there's glass in my plants and I found these really cool things, so I'm just gonna put the succulents into these things. This is something I'm gonna put a plant in. This used to be like a candle, but I thought the container was really cute, so we're gonna use that. This was something that you can put a tea light in, but we're gonna use that. This is also, I think, like a candle thing of some sort. And then a little planter. All of these are dead. But all of these are alive. And of course that's the one that's broken. I can get a crate. I'm gonna get a crate. This is all my dirty laundry, but I'm gonna take the crate. Laundry, don't even care about the mess that I just made. I care about showing you that I can be a YouTuber, so I'm gonna do that. Okay. How did this stay alive? That's one plant. Beautiful. Oh boy. I'm trying to save them. I'm so scared. I don't want to cut to myself. Ow! This broke and there's so much glass in this. Oh, I just spilled dirt. Fantastic. I'm pretty sure that you have to do this so that your plant stays alive. Little do I know. Oh my god, I'm doing so well. So, I didn't get enough for this guy, which is sad. But I think that these guys turned out pretty well. And I think that it wasn't as messy as it could have been. Nice.